Hello guys, welcome to DevAlpha. Today we are going to see how to scrap contact information from any website. I have a list of websites. Open this file. Here is the list of websites from which we will scrap contact information today. Let's visit one website. This is the website. I want to fetch this information. It is not a good practice to copy this information, and that will also take a lot of time. So today we will see how our bot will scrap this information fastly. Close this window. Close it also. Open this folder. To scrap the contact information, I have created a universal email scraper. So when you receive zip file from me, you need to extract it. Right click on it and click extract here. Open this folder and scroll down. Open this blue icon file, universal email scraper. Close this window. This is our bot. We just need to paste our all website links here and select all. Copy all the information and paste here. So these are the links, and if you want to get more emails, check this button. Click start button. Now it is scraping the contact information. If you want to count how many rows have been scrapped, so just go on footer and right click on it. Click count so you can count these rows. Let me show you more features in our bot. You can pause it and resume it also. And if you want to filter data, go to the column name and click on it. So here you can apply your custom filters and advanced filters options. It's on your choice. Close it. And we have the multiple themes option, and you can also change the palette color. And during scraping, you can also export data. Just click export button and change output path. I'm selecting my desktop. Type file name here. Click save and choose your output format. And if you want to open file after exporting, just check this button and click export. This is our file. So we can also edit this file. Let me show you. Now our file is ready for use. Close it. You can also clear data from here if you want to delete all the data and scrap again. Click clear and click yes. Close this bot. So this was our bot. If you have any questions, go over the description to see the contact info and contact me. I will be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much, and if you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our new bots. Thanks for watching.